What's up everyone? In this video, we will learn about how to update or edit data in Codeigniter. You will need some method to edit user yourself from within an application. In this section, we will look at creating functionality to do just that, to update and edit user detail. Okay, we will create some files such as edit user.php and user model.php, but we have file controller already is user.php, and then we will create a function is update user in user.php. So the first we look at the edit user.php file in Vue folder. So for the input form, we have first name, last name, email is active, and the last form is form hidden. Form hidden is for ID. So when we submit, ID was sent to the user controller, but in this form is hidden. Okay, now go to the browser and you will see the form user detail. For my database, I have 4 rows already. So if I click on button edit, it will redirect to the form edit user. Click, it will get the data by ID, okay, ID 5, get first name, last name, email from number 5, and then we click update, okay, it updates data. But if the input form is blank, it cannot go. It will say there are errors. But how to do that? Okay, go to the code. Okay, now go to the code. The first is go to the file edit user. For file edit user, we have form input, first name, last name, email, and is active. When we submit, it will go to the edit user as the user controller. Okay, this is the function edit user. It have library, validation, okay, validation delimiter. So it will check the rule validation of first name, last name, email, and is active. Check on requires min length, max length, and then email, and then it's natural for is active. So in this point, we will need to grab user ID. At this point, the user ID is probably coming from an URL, but may also be coming from a post array. For example, if return fail, the following code work out how the ID variable coming in other post or URL and store in the IDs variable ready for later processing. Now begin check validation. If check validation is fail, okay, check first name, last name, email is fail, it will pass or assign the array as first name, last name, email, and is active back to the edit user form. Okay, user form, send back or assign first name, last name, email, and is active back to the user form. Okay, this is the fail condition. But and then check the else condition is true, that get post from edit user form such as first name, last name, email, and is active. So it will update the data. Okay, the data. For the process update user, we go to the user model, process user, okay, user update by ID and data get from user input form, where ID that get from segment URL, okay, or post ID, and then update this data. and this function is get user detail that we call in the form user update. Okay, now already is how to code update. Okay, this is user model, this is form user update. So now that's all. If you have any question, you can comment below on my videos.